1924 saw the pivotal invention of the Sunshine Auto Header. The story starts in Henty, New South Wales, the home of the header, where Hedley Taylor invented the world's first header in 1914. Henty was a prosperous town, situated on the main Sydney to Melbourne rail line, with banks, schools, saddlers, blacksmith shops, and all manner of businesses, servicing a rich farming community. The Sunshine Harvester Works in Melbourne, under Hedley Taylor's supervision, by 1924, had geared up to producing over 1,000 ground-drive pull headers every year for a hungry market. However, greater capacity was required, and the Sunshine Auto Header, a joint Taylor-Mackay development, was in production in 1924. The first models had a 12-foot cut and were powered by a 4-cylinder, 36-horsepower Fordson engine. The Sunshine Auto Header was the first commercial self-propelled header in a T configuration, powered through a single left-hand side driving wheel, and Taylor's comb front and twin auger combination was retained. Capable of harvesting 5 acres per hour, or 1 bag plus per minute, and featuring the new HST all-steel front, a new gearbox with 3 forward and reverse speeds, tandem straw walkers, and an 18-bag bagging platform. The Sunshine Auto Header was designed for the big wheat grower with vital labor-saving benefits. Harvest technology had taken a huge step, and the Sunshine Auto Header established a world record of harvesting 3,300 bushels of wheat off 76 acres in one day near Horsham, Victoria in 1938. The Sunshine Auto Header was redesigned and modified in 1952 to 1953 and was the forerunner of our modern-day harvesting machines.
In the latter part of the 1920s, the Sunshine SP header enjoyed sound growth in sales and developed a strong position in available grain harvesting machinery. However, in 1930, trade restrictions resulted in Massey Harris selling all of its Australian assets to the H.V. Mackay Company, in exchange for a minority interest in the reformed H.V. Mackay Massey Harris Proprietary Limited. Following the Depression, there was rapid expansion at the Sunshine Harvester Works in pre-World War II. The works covered almost 2 million square feet of workspace for over 3,000 employees. Nevertheless, by 1945, the company had discontinued production of the Sunshine SP header after building 1,356 units. Many Sunshine SP headers were exported from onwards to Africa, Argentina, Canada, USA, New Zealand, and England, and undoubtedly its introduction to those countries set a standard of harvesting not approached previously. In 1952, H.V. Mackay Massey Harris began importing Massey Harris combines from Canada, again offering Australian farmers a machine of the type they had pioneered. Some 28 years earlier, Hedley Taylor retired from the Sunshine Harvester Works in 1954, after 38 years' service, and died in 1957.